How's everybody doing? Clear. Thank you for coming in the House of Truth. All general messages meant to resonate. If you would like a personal soul session with me, feel free to email me at AZARIATHEINTUITIVE at gmail.com and we can discuss the price listing. Pray that everybody's okay. Keep it safe. Stay protected. It's vital you keep up on your prayers and your meditations to build your own personal relationship. Right. The reading I did was draining. I'm calling in the energy of the collectives. We have inferiority. Calling in the energy of the collectives. Calling in the energy of the collectives, Holy Spirit. We have intuition. We have trust in reverse. Okay. All right. When it comes to trust, God is trying to offer a new beginning. It could be rejecting a new beginning. It says, allow me, divine, to give you my deepest longings, trusting you to know exactly how to handle them. Okay, so God is trying to offer a new beginning here. I'm seeing, excuse me, I'm seeing a lot of monarch butterflies, right? Just crazy. I did a reading the other day, and the monarch butterfly was everywhere. Came out a few times within the reading here. Um, the monarch butterfly is a sign of evolution, spiritual awakening, and enlightenment. Someone's rejecting all of this upcoming change, a new direction in life. Like no one wants to change. No one wants. Somebody don't. Somebody you dealing with collective. They don't trust this new beginning. Inferiority. Okay. There. I don't know. There's like someone feels in. Sometimes they feel good. Someone feels as if the like this is a feeling that's off and on, back and forth. Sometimes a person feels like you better than them. Sometimes they feel like they better than you. Inferiority. Look at the picture. There's one's upside down and the other one's not. The red is about the sacral chakra, the foundations which we build are you know, it's what was based on what we build our foundations on, the sacral chakra, finding security or being secure within the foundations, right? Sometimes someone feels good, sometimes don't. Someone could might sorry, we're tongue tied. Might not be trusting this new beginning of spiritual awakening, enlightenment, and things of this nature because at times they don't feel confident within themselves. Sometimes they feel, and I don't know, and it's like a weird type of confidence because you have inferiority, being inferior, and then I feel a sense of fear. Sometimes someone feels as if they're better than you, and sometimes they don't. Collective, because it's upside down. One's upside down, one's standing upright. Then we have needy in reverse. And this could be that they feel that you don't need them. You don't love them the same with this green. Something about the purple, intuition. There's eyes here. Knowledge, wisdom, clarity, and understanding is in regards of the owl, right? But this is like, you got some people out here who don't know how to need. Like, it's not in their nature to need anyone to help them through circumstances or whatever the case may be, right? There's a lack of need. Someone's not feeling needed. And with this, it makes a person feels as if, like they're good enough at times and sometimes they're not good enough. This is a fluctuating feeling because someone is not feeling needed. Using their intuition collective, or this is you using your intuition in regards of this individual, is something that you see, something that's hidden behind the veil that maybe someone you're dealing with is not really expressing when it comes to intuition. Calling in the energy of the collective. And it's all behind someone, God giving someone a new beginning if someone's not trusting the process, right? Because there's a lack of security within oneself, all due to someone not needing them in a certain particular way. When it comes to love, someone could feel unloved. Vanity. Someone's very beautiful. Someone doesn't trust a new beginning with someone who's beautiful. What? I don't get that. I don't get that. How did that happen? I mean, do that. Hold on. It's about pride, excessive pride in or admiration of one's own appearance or achievement. But I feel it's like someone has gained some type of confidence, right? Like there's nothing wrong having vanity. It's like as long as it's not you thinking you better than someone else, right? But someone doesn't trust this new beginning. And God, this is God trying to give someone a new beginning with someone who's beautiful. But whoever is vain, excessive pride in or admiration of one's own appearance or achievement. Someone could have also achieved some things within their life and don't trust a new beginning with someone else. Calling in the energy of the collectives. Someone's achieved a lot with vanity, love, and fear. Somebody love themselves. If someone doesn't trust a new beginning, God's trying to give someone enlightenment, awakenings, new beginnings, right? But someone doesn't trust vanity because someone's already has accomplished or achieved some things. And you could be very beautiful, okay? Inferiority. You have love. Divine source is the idea that no person, place, nor thing is your salvation. This is someone who's found love within oneself. Collectives. You don't think that you're better. It's a balance. What I feel is this balance because you have the world right in the center of inferior people. Yeah, finding security within oneself, loving oneself, realizing that no people, place, or thing is is your salvation. Needy is something you're not needing or you don't need anymore. Like I feel it's like somebody was at one point in time looking for maybe validation from you, collective, take it as a resignate. and you're not needing it anymore because you found it within yourself. So it's like whatever this is, if a person's not complimenting you, you don't care. You see yourself as being beautiful. Calling in the energy of collectives, you don't need. It says this is happening for me, not to me. Refrain from giving, refrain, or you refrained or stopped giving your time and energy to something here. Or you stop giving something because of something you're not needing. You don't need someone. Calling in the energy of the collectives. You're using your intuition. You're seeing past veils. Self-critical. This is self-healing, self-awareness is what I'm feeling. The self-change. Using your intuition when it comes to being too overly critical of oneself. It's something you see now. You've been awakened to maybe someone's behaviors or patterns or the way they do things. I don't know. That's weird. But it's beautiful energies of someone who's finding love within oneself. Calling in the energy of the collectives. 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 You're very beautiful. Heart space is beautiful. I also see Kundalini rising. I see the two snakes. You could be a nurse or a doctor. Take it as a resonate. Work in the health field. Take it as a resonate. This has nothing to do with me. Calling in the word vanity. Clarify vanity. Guidance. Look, vanity. And it's clarified with guidance in reverse. Clarify vanity. Vanity is clarified with pay attention. Pay attention to your guidance. Clarify trust. Clarify trust, Holy Spirit. Clarify trust and reverse. Someone can't let go in order to have a new beginning. God is trying to offer enlightenment, awakening, new beginnings. Someone can't let go and trust a new beginning. Someone's very beautiful, found love within themselves. Clarify guidance. Clarify guidance. Clarify guidance. Guidance. Mm, the vibe that I'm getting is like someone's not listening to spiritual teachings. Someone's paying attention. Guidance here. Someone's not guided or allowing themselves to be guided. To allow something to come to an end. Because this woman's walking on skull heads. This king or great diviner is paying attention. He's not allowing himself to be guided to cut something off. If you notice, the sword is brought down by her side. So this person is very prosperous, paying attention, watching. Someone could be stalking, looking, watching because you're very beautiful. Vanity, don't want to let you go. It could be that you don't trust this new beginning. This could be someone from the past. Clarify inferiority. Purity, Holy Spirit. Clarify impurity. Silence. So once again, we have red. Red is about the sacral chakra security, which we build our foundations on. Then we have the green, all that green, heart space. Someone's quiet. Someone's retreated. Someone's not speaking or talking. Someone's has withdrawn. Like I said, someone could be in the healthcare field. Take it as it resonates. Silent retreats. Someone could be going on some type of retreat. Clarify inferiority. Clarify inferiority. That's a lot. Joy and light in reverse. Someone's quiet, very quiet. I see maybe the hermit card. Then we have joy. Someone's not happy. Joy and light. The unicorn is about magic. Someone's not happy. Secluding, secluding themselves. Inferiority, Holy Spirit. Clarify inferiority. They could be building something right now. Foundations, new home, new car, new job. This is why they're quiet. Someone could also be going to nursing school, going back to school. Inferiority is clarified with vision in reverse. Compassion. It's like someone thinks they're not good enough for you. This is the reason why they could be keeping silent, not happy. Vision in reverse, not walking through the gate. And this is allowing something to come to an end. Someone's very compassionate. Someone's praying, doing a lot of prayer, praying. Someone's feeling drained because we have cactus. Spiritual meaning of cactus. Spiritual meaning of cactus. Someone has prayer, prayer beads. Enlightenment and spiritual growth is what the cactus mean. It also symbolizes maternal love because it can withstand the prosper in severe conditions. They prosper in severe conditions, warmth and unconditional love. When it comes to the cactus, someone has a spiritual connection, but they're not happy. Unicorn, supposed to be magical, doesn't see the magic within something here. Clarify needy. Someone's found love within themselves. They're not looking for gratification or like it's within you, you know. Clarify needy in reverse. Clarify needy in reverse. Clarify needy in reverse. Conjuring in reverse. Legacy. Someone's not needy. Clarify needy in reverse. Stability. Like someone doesn't have to use magic spells. They don't have to conjure, right? They don't have to do. This person has stability. The hell? This could be a male, female. Take it as it resonate. Clarify legacy, conjure. Like somebody has it all. Someone's not taking accountability. Hmm. Someone's not taking accountability when it comes to legacy. Person has it all with stability. This could be a male or a female. Clarify refrain. Someone is holding back energy, time, love, sex, money, conversation. Clarify refrain. Someone stopped here. Someone reframed. Divine feminine reverse. The void wouldn't stop. Someone refrained. It's clarify divine. Someone stopped reframing from being and work operating out of this low vibrational energy. Divine feminine reverse. The king, he has it all. Probably the reason why he's not worried about working on a legacy. It's already happened. Someone finds gratitude in a divine feminine in reverse. King is not taking accountability or truth. Clarify accountability. Clarify accountability. Clarify accountability. Just go. Clarify accountability. Somebody could have been. Clarify accountability. Once again, gratitude. Someone has gratitude. Clarify vision. Vision in reverse. Clarify vision in reverse. Vision in reverse. There's an imbalance due to actions that are being taken upon. Clarify walking meditation. Just go. Somebody was probably pushed out. Somebody's a happy hater. Just go. Somebody could want you to leave out of something, push you out of somewhere. Wisdom in reverse, something you're not aware of. I love you in reverse. Whoever this is does not care about you. Why is this, Holy Spirit? Why is this? Using your intuition in regards to this situation. Why is this? Why? I love you in reverse. Unrequited love. There's a lack of alignment. People are not coming together. There's the devil card. It's about sex, sex magic. It's not about that an individual loves you, it's about your sex. Clarify seduction. Somebody wants you to seduce them. Creation partnered. Clarify seduction. Person don't care about you. They just want, yeah, seduction. Create. Somebody is not creating seduction. Lust. There's sorcery at the bottom of the deck. Someone could be playing magic. What anytime you're dealing with magic, there's mental manipulation, verbal manipulation, okay, emotional manipulation, or someone is at that graveyard digging up dirt and cutting off lizard lips and lizard toenails and carrying out like, yeah, like there. Sorcery is what's hidden. It ain't no change. Somebody like operating out of low ego death in reverse. This is a narcissist. A narcissist. Instead of narcissistic. Somebody wants you to create seduction. Clarify, create in reverse. Clarify, create in reverse. Wow. This person does not love you. Create in reverse. Restoration in reverse. This is a star. It's not creating. Union in reverse. The bottom of the deck. This person don't love you no way. Balance. Someone is not coming into union because they prefer to be balanced, not allowing themselves to go through this transition. Okay, what time is it? Some of y'all stop dating. Some of y'all are finding balance within your spiritual practices. Clarify union. This person don't love you. They're wanting you to wanting you to show them some things, right? This person is not worried about any legacy. The key. Somebody's not coming into union with you because they have the key. Community in reverse. There's no love within the community. Somebody's trying to heal a community that maybe does not really care for you, or there's no love in the community anyway. Celebration, four of wands. Clarify key. Someone has the key. Once again, the star. Wow. Someone looks at the star as the key. The key to what? Holy Spirit. Key to what? Key to all the answers. Key to what? Key to what? I started feeling drained right after that. Somebody's playing games. It's a form of mental manipulation. Someone's dealing with an earth angel. There's a lack of passion. Someone holds the key to someone's passion. This is how someone feels. Someone feels they hold the key to the star's passion. That's how they feel. Clarify key. Clarify key, Holy Spirit. Clarify key. Once again, we got two kings out here. This is someone who is already established. Key celebration. Someone feels like they hold the key. Feel like they also hold the key to someone getting wet, excited sexually, confirmation. Someone feels like they got you in this, and what, Holy Spirit? Someone feels like they got this star in a what? Infinity. Look, like someone feels like they got you. Peace. Universal oneness. Like you and this, and like this individual got you. And they hold the key to your sensuality. Karma. There's no peace here. Clarify peace in reverse. Clarify peace in reverse. Somebody's going to face some type of judgment. Clarify peace in reverse. This person don't love you, but they feel that they got some type of binding over you. Like they have the, I don't know, chastity belt. Peace in reverse is clarified with justice. Then I say somebody going to end up getting in trouble because they're not changing. Lord have mercy. Somebody feel like they have control over your sensual and sexuality. How you present yourself sensually or sexually, right? They feel they hold this key. Like they can open you up if they I'm gonna open your ass up. Yeah, that's crazy. Clarify karma. Clarify karma. Universal oneness. Feel like there is like a deep connection. Clarify karma. Clarify karma. Clarify karma. They feel they can turn you off and on. Clarify karma. Life review, a cycle. Why can I make this up? Clarify karma. This is a cycle that someone's trying to keep you in or they have you in. They feel they have the key to teaching and learning. It's a cycle. Keep an open mind and learn new ideas, then teach these ideas to others. Yeah, if you want to bump upside your head, breathe. Breathe. Someone can't breathe. Somebody releasing old patterns. Life review. Someone feels victorious because their prayers have been answered in regards of you. You're in their energy. They got you. And what I feel with this key, like they feel like they can lock you up, clear your space, clear energy, get rid of clutter, clear the energy around you. They feel this key can do what, Holy Spirit? What can they feel these keys can do to this star? What is these keys for when it comes to this star? Peace. You're the key to peace and happiness. You could be an earth angel. Prosperity. You are the key to prosperity, peace. You probably counsel them when they're imbalanced without doors in reverse, ungrounded. You bring about prosperity. They look at you as a key. Oh, wow, that's crazy. And this person aren't like you, some type of any charm. Like, what the fuck? You are safe in reverse. Like this person, it says, I am protecting you against this person. Did I say working out of lower energies, low vibration? This is not a safe situation. Why is this unsafe, Holy Spirit? Why is this situation unsafe? Person is trying to get you to lose your protection, some type of protection. Brilliant idea. Someone's trying to like guide you away from something. A new romantic cycle begins. But this is it's in the eclipse. What? I feel this is all a facade. Your dreams, then I say it needs a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. Someone's not being practical at all. Mm. Clarify guidance. Somebody don't want you to be guided too as well. They don't want to be cut off or they don't want to cut you off. Clarify guidance in reverse. Clarify guidance in reverse. What time is I gotta go? Clarify guidance in reverse. Guidance in reverse. Cherish, enjoy. This is Venus. I feel like someone found love in oneself. If someone sees this, they feel like they hold the key to you, like they like control. They don't want you to be guided away. They think you're very beautiful. Venus, joy. You bring them joy. And right up, look at that beauty under vanity. Charm. Be very artsy, or you could be like your beauty is like art. Personal power, the mysteries of life, a major change with the eighth house. You give them, they cherish your personal power. They enjoy the mysteries of life. Eighth house. This person doesn't, could be that they just love your beauty, not love you per se, right? They love your look, your qualities, the needs for control, obsession. It's a power struggle with this individual. I say, like you, like. I also feel with the key, like you on in this shelf or bookcase, you know, curio cabinet. Like they can unlock it, take you out when they want to, because they have resources to maintain through you. Yeah, the need for control when it comes to maintaining resources through you. Clarify, Venus. This person don't love you though. You got obsession, the devil card. Could be dealing with a Libra, seventh house. They cherish diplomatic relationships. They feel that as long as someone's not saying nothing, they'll get a fair deal. Like someone not really going off on them or talking mean, that there'll always be someone who's compromising, but somebody is wanting someone to operate out of the divine femme energy in reverse. They want you to be low vibrational. When it comes to your sensuality or something, they feel like they have the key to control to control you. This person is using this form of manipulation. It's like a form of magic. That's why you had conjuring and all this other stuff to come out. Um, this person is not looking for a legacy because are working to work on a legacy or don't have a legacy, right? Maybe wanting a legacy, but this person is already financially established. So, but they're holding on to you for some reason. Celebration, yeah, all of that, yeah. Like someone feels like they have control over how you operate sexually. Like if they tell you you can't mess or don't talk to an individual, you know, then you won't do it. They hold the key. Even I feel, and the way he was standing there, like there's some type of mental control too as well. Or they feel this way, like they can mentally control you from dealing with other people. I don't know. It's the vibe that I'm getting. Someone feels like you belong to them. Okay, you will always be theirs because they hold the key. They hold the key to the doorway of you entering and leaving. That's crazy. That's been your reading. I hope that it resonates in some shape, form, or fashion. Thank you for being a part of House of Truth. That's crazy.